I'm back again. I showed you the cheap imitation stuff from China for the Honda Steed 400, I think. That one is the original, and I don't want to use this because it's very thin. I found myself a second-hand part. It's coming from a 650 model. It's used but not complete, so also very new. Oh, I think this is a good alternative. I'm going to use that one. So I'm throwing this away. I don't want to use them again, but the spring I will. This is a little bit difficult because you need some force. And it takes a little bit of practicing. I told you it takes a little bit of practicing. Why is dat godver... Those springs are thin, but they are very strong. So now I think, what the fuck? Yes, I want to show you this because you will see that the most experienced guy, me, has also problems to get it right. Look. Yeah. Wow. It fits. Don't ask me how I did it. So, I'm missing a plate here, so I have to install a plate there. Don't worry, I will do that later on, and also those pins to the axles. But first I want to show you something, because when you brake... Yes? Kom eraan. I get a phone call. Sorry, bye bye.